Hello everyone. So recently, two major mid-budget smartphones have been launched, the iPhone 16e and the Google Pixel 9a. Although we have reviewed both of them separately on our channel, but this video exclusively is regarding the comparison between the both, that which is worth the buy. So let's get started. Let's talk about the design and build. So the iPhone 16e keeps things super simple with a sleek aluminum frame and matte glass back. It has a familiar notch and a new action button, and it is available in black and white, weighs around 167 grams and is 7.8 mm thick. While talking of Pixel 9a, it goes for a more modern look with flat edges and a clean camera setup. You can see that it is slightly heavier at 186 grams and thicker at 8.9 mm, but it feels fresh and minimalist. Next, talking about the display. Moving on to the display, iPhone 16e has a 6.1 OLED screen with crisp details, true tone and brightness up to 1200 nits. However, it comes with only a 60Hz refresh rate. Meanwhile, Pixel 9a offers a slightly bigger 6.3 OLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate and a brighter output at 2700 nits. It feels super smooth and super visible even in sunlight. Let's talk about performance and software. Here's the good part about iPhone 16e. It runs on Apple's A18 chip with 8GB RAM, offering smooth day-to-day performance. And it also brings new AI tools with iOS 18. So it makes it the cheapest iPhone that comes with Apple Intelligence features. If we talk about Pixel 9a, it uses Google's Tensor G4 chip with the same 8GB RAM. It comes with Android 15 and promises 7 years of updates, along with a smart camera and cool AI tricks. Next up is camera. Camera is one of the most important factors when making a new smartphone decision. iPhone 16e has a single 48 megapixel camera with 2x zoom and solid features like night mode and 4K video. On the other hand, Pixel 9a has a 48MP main camera plus a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and Google's AI adds more flexibility and editing tools to the device. Next up is battery and charging. iPhone 16e packs a 4005 mAh battery, which is good for 26 hours of video playback. It supports 7.5 WQI wireless charging but lacks MagSafe support. Pixel 9a has a bigger 5100 mAh battery and faster charging, both wired and wireless. The battery can last over 24 hours with regular use. Next up is pricing and value. At the end of the day, price matters the most. So iPhone 16e starts at $599, which is a solid deal for an Apple device. And Pixel 9a comes at $499. It is cheaper but still packed with top-end features. So if you want more for less, Pixel 9a gives you a better value for your money. So here comes a solution. iPhone 16e is perfect, but if you have already in the Apple ecosystem and want a smooth and reliable phone. But if you want the latest features, longer software support and more value, overall the Pixel 9a is hard to beat. So if you found the comparison helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.